Today in the story, we learn the incredible power of our words. They can heal someone's heart, or they can break it. So, stay with us until the very end. In a peaceful town lived a young teacher named Smith. Smith was well known for his knowledge, but not for his temperament. He had a habit of speaking harshly. Whenever a student made a mistake, he would scold them in front of everyone. He believed, if I speak strictly, they will correct themselves faster. But he didn't realize how deeply his words could wound someone. One day, a shy student named Jake failed an exam. Smith angrily said, "You'll never succeed if you keep being so careless." The classroom fell silent. Jake lowered his gaze, tears welling up in his eyes. He said nothing, but that day, his confidence shattered. Weeks passed. Jake became quiet, stopped speaking in class, and his grades continued to drop. Other teachers noticed and told Smith, "Jake isn't the same as before. Maybe something is wrong." Smith laughed it off. "He just needs to toughen up, that's all." Then, one morning, Smith received a letter, written by Jake. It read, "Is greater than, Sir, I have always considered you my role model. When you said I could never succeed, I believed it. I don't blame you, but your words changed the way I think." Reading this, Smith felt a pang in his heart. He realized that his words held the power to change someone's life, for better or worse. That night, Smith couldn't sleep. He remembered every moment he had spoken harshly to his students. For the first time, he felt true remorse. The next day, Smith called Jake to his office. Jake entered quietly, eyes downcast. Smith stood up and said, "Jake, I want to apologize. I spoke without thinking. I was wrong." Jake was surprised. Smith continued, "You have great potential. My words don't define your worth. You will prove it yourself." That day, for the first time in months, a smile appeared on Jake's face. He started working hard again, not to prove anyone wrong, but to believe in himself once more. By the end of the year, Jake earned the top position in his class. During the farewell ceremony, he said, "Is greater than, a harsh word broke me, but a kind word rebuilt me." Smith never forgot that moment. From that day on, he always thought before he spoke, so that his words wouldn't wound, but heal. Remember, our words carry power. They can give hope or cause pain. Think before you speak. Are you building someone up or breaking them down? Sometimes, just a single sentence can change a life. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who could use a little kindness. And don't forget to subscribe to MicroPhilosophy Tales for more life-changing stories.